my fake mama. I thank you for my real mama. I thank you for my
Here you go.
daddy and
Play, motherfucker. Remember, blue was in the mix.
Dang, I forgot to cheat.
This is easy already.
Damn, Lovely already beating Juicy.
Thank you.
Never mind.
Lovely, I mean, Juicy still ain't winning though. Lovely is.
The heck?
Auto.
Did we even try this on medium?
Nope.
Oh.
Bitch, we can't even play it on easy.
Panda over here saying so. I'm just hitting the blue and green.
No, Shy, you have to try to hit them all. Come on, Lovely.
He ain't winning.
Juicy trying to put some effort in it, though.
Juicy ain't winning though.
Juicy put more effort in than Lovely.
I gotta admit, he is, because, yeah.
Well, who winning? Juicy. I mean,
Juicy
Lovely.
is for effort.
No.
Yeah.
Lovely winning.
Right, but Juicy's winning because effort. I think.
Mm-hmm.
I think Juicy gonna win. I mean, Lovely gonna win.
Even though, in all honesty, Lovely's winning, but
Juicy's gonna win.
A lot of effort.
Just because Juicy put in a lot of effort, don't mean Lovely
Yeah,
can
I
win.
consider him winning.
Come on, Juice.
Come on, Juicy, you can do it, boy.
No, come on, Lovely.
Oh, hi.
He's like, fuck it, I'm gonna hit the double nose. He is legit trying, though.
I am too. Y'all don't take me.
Come on, Lovely.
Okay, I'm rooting for Juicy.
Alright, I'll take Lovely then.
Come on, buddy, you got.
What happened?
What the hell happened?
Lovely get mad because she losing.
No, I'm not. It's because I don't want to freaking.
Come on, keep going.
No, I didn't.
We actually picked it.
Y'all picked medium.
Because.
You should have picked easy, though. We should have allowed him to do easy. But I gotta admit, he's put in a hell of a lot of effort.
Come on.
Remember?
Man, you're not even trying. You're being a sore loser.
Damn, me and Autumn would fucking die on this shit.
You and who?
Me
Britt?
and Autumn.
Britt?
Me and... Yeah. Britt.
You're
and
Britt.
Panda would die.
Yes.
Who is Autumn?
Oh, no.
I don't know who Autumn is either.
I know Autumn's the season though.
Yeah, Britt, you gonna play against the season?
Dude, you were not on this song. I played easy first.
Bitch, we've already played it on easy.
Oh, literally.
We have to try to play it on medium.
Oh, we're dead.
Then we can have Lovely record it.
By the way, Lovely's my name. My real name.
We can have Lovely record us trying to play on medium.
That's it.
Wait, no, not necessarily. Well,
My mom
yeah, it
changed.
is.
My mom changed.
Let's see who won.
Me.
it was
I wanna-
Juicy, legitimately.
Yes, I want to see the
Because
scoreboard.
y'all be
Wait.
different.
Wait. Let me see the controller. I want to see the
He had a
stats.
10% note. He had a 10 note streak.
Let's see the stats
I
here.
got 50 notes shit.
Shit.
She got 122. He got 222. Juicy won that one.